We're going from wood and brass to kick-ass. This early 90s decor left a lot to be desired. I didn't know you can fit so many mirrors and so much brass in 20 square feet, but they managed to do it. Where there's a will, there's a way. It needed a lot of help, starting with everything. The fiberglass of the shower stall was in really good condition, so we were happy to reuse it. The trim faucet and shower head needed to go for sure. For such a small space, there really is a lot of storage room, which is really nice. The closet's quite deep with a whole lot of hanging space. We just need to find a good way to utilize it all and make it look good at the same time. The cabinets are really good quality and they're in pretty decent shape. A little bit of wear and tear, but nothing too much. So the plan is to reuse as much of the existing components as possible. We're going to do a lot of painting and a whole lot of elbow grease. But it shouldn't be too hard because it is a small space. We'll be replacing the toilet and the fan vent. Anyone need some extra mirrors? The shower update was pretty straightforward. We took off the old trim, sanded it down, and spray painted it. We ditched the old shower head and faucet and ordered a new chrome set to replace it. It really brings it up to date. The black stainless trim and the white plank ceiling really step it up a notch. Monty joined into the demo action, and boy was it nice to see this stuff come down. We took down all the mirrors, took off the cabinet doors, peeled off the wallpaper, and took down the ceiling and light fixtures. After that we sanded down the woodwork and got right to priming. Since we'd removed the cabinet doors, it was nice and easy to lay them out in the garage, sand them, prime them. Then we rolled on 2 coats of really high quality semi-gloss paint, and it turned out really well. The lighter paint color really brightens up the whole bathroom. From there we removed the toilet and sink and started working on the flooring. The plywood subfloor was in really good shape and gave us a good base. We rolled out some insulation on the floor. It helps keep it cool and supplies some sound deadening, and it even adds a little bit of cushioning. We continued in with the same click vinyl as we used in the rest of the RV just to keep it nice and uniform. From there we're onto the countertop. We sanded down the old existing top and bought some new laminate for it. I was able to pick up this pistol grip from my reciprocating saw blade, and it handled cutting the laminate really well. Once cut to size, we glued it in place with some contact cement and then used a router to trim the edge. For the edges, we stained some pine that we bought at the local hardware store to match the rest of the wood inside the RV. It's a dark stain, so it goes really well with the gray and stainless. We painted our old sink black and then put up some real tin tiles for a backsplash to keep it nice and bright in there. I'm sure you'll agree it's an immense improvement and shows no resemblance to the previous bathroom. We replaced the toilet with a brand new unit. We upgraded the ceiling fan to a better model, and that baby really sucks. And all in all, we're really happy with the way everything turned out. Hope you like this tour of our bathroom, Reno. Leave a comment below and tell me what you think. Hey, thanks for watching Life en Route. Check out our blog at lifeenroute.com. And as always, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe.